Hey, what's up everybody? This is Ryan Mallory. I want to talk to you today about Donald Trump, the impeachment, and its effect on the stock market. Is it going to crash the stock market? Is it going to make the stock market rally like what we saw in 2017 when he was elected president? Or is it just going to be a big nothing and the market just simply keeps doing what it was doing before? That's the big question. That's what I'm going to try to answer for you here today. First off, Trump is probably going to get impeached. Okay, whether you believe he should or not, the likelihood is that he is. And my purpose for this video isn't to get political in the terms of like trying to exert my political bias towards you or to try to persuade you one way or the other. I'm simply here to try and talk to you about what I believe its effects are going to be on the stock market as a full-time trader. Now, it takes 218 votes to get impeached in the House of Representatives. And if they do that, then it goes to the Senate chambers where you have to have a 2/3 majority vote to get removed from office. Now, fact of the matter is, unless there's some big wild card here that nobody's expecting, he's not going to get removed from office in the Senate. So the furthest it's going to go is the House of Representatives. Now, while I don't think he's going to get removed from office, based off of what we've seen over the last, 2-3 years, there's always the possibility of something happening out of left field that we don't expect. And the Democrats have put themselves in a corner, just like the Republicans did in '96 with the Bill Clinton, Monica Lewinsky scandal. They've basically made it to where they have to impeach him or else. They've sold it to their base. They've basically made it a matter of national emergency that they have to impeach him. So he's going to get impeached. There's already 207 representatives that have signed up to vote for impeachment. That means they only need to get 11 more. It's probably going to happen, folks. However, if I'm Trump, I'd actually turn the tables on them and pin the economy on the impeachment trial. While I don't think we're going to see any major selling from the impeachment itself, we did see some selling yesterday. However, when the transcript between Trump and the Ukraine leader came out today, the market actually rallied. So I think the market's also expecting this not to be a big issue. If it was, I think we'd already be down 4 or 5%, at least at this point, okay? So the market's not really taking this whole impeachment serious. If he's to be removed from office, that is a big deal, because then the prospect of like a Elizabeth Warren or a Bernie Sanders becomes much more likely as president. Yes, Joe Biden may win it too, even though his trajectory isn't that great right now. In fact, Joe Biden and a Donald Trump matchup would be the best thing for Wall Street, because Wall Street doesn't mind Joe Biden, doesn't mind Donald Trump, except for the tweets sometimes. But overall, it likes that matchup. Now, if it goes towards Elizabeth Warren or Bernie Sanders for the nomination, then you're going to see a lot of volatility surrounding the polls in 2020 once that nomination has been confirmed and they run against Trump in the general election. So once that happens, you're going to see the polls start really becoming a volatile source of market movement in the stock market in 2020, because the last thing that it wants is a Elizabeth Warren presidency where she's going to be taxing transactions, or at least proposes to, taxing wealth, taxing Wall Street. Wall Street doesn't like her. That's not me saying what I think of her. I'm just telling you what Wall Street and what the price action will do if she gets the nomination and gets close to winning the presidency or actually wins it. So looking at the charts here, we have impeachment underway, but look at the S&P 500. We're still at 2984. We're just a little bit more than 1% off of the all-time highs. So there's not a lot of worry right now on Wall Street. I was actually short coming in today, thinking maybe we'd get some more downside. We didn't. We got the pop. I covered my short position. If he gets removed from office, though, or if he loses the general election, yeah, I think that the June lows will probably be taken out, and I would think that you would see a retest of the December lows, and much of the rally that you've seen since 2017 would probably get wiped out on the possibility of a Trump being removed from office or him losing the general elections. You have some major support here that I do think, if the worst is to come true, I do think that you could have a move all the way down to 2400, which would be in line with the December lows of 2018. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel, as well as check out some of these other cool videos that I've done. And if you want to swing trade with me each and every day, you can do so by going to www.shareplanner.com/splash zone. Thanks and happy trading.